guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. So today's video, I am going to be doing my Allure. I don't know how to say it. Is it Allure? Allure. I think it's Allure. This Allure box for the month of September 2018. I just got it in the mail and it still has the wrap on it, so I haven't peeked or cheated or anything like that. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and break into this little box. I got my keys right here. And let's unbox it together, shall we? Okay, all right, so here is a little box. So let me just tell you, I have a little backstory with Allure because I have a love and hate relationship with this box, this subscription box. I go back and forth to subscribing and unsubscribing to the box because not all the boxes have been that great. And whenever I see a spoiler or if I see spoilers or if they do collabs with certain people or anything like that and I think it's worth it, I will subscribe back, get the box, and then unsubscribe because it's just a love and hate relationship. That's just all. That's just all it really is. So I've got the Jaclyn Hill box with Allure, Allure, and then I also had ordered the box with Kat Von D, and that one was really good. And I saw spoilers for this month's box, and I was like, dang, I need to snag me one up. So I went ahead and resubscribed, but after this box, I will continue to unsubscribe until I see another great box. So that's just a little story behind this. So yes, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, you get your little box in the mail. I paid $10 for this box because I resubscribed, so I'm kind of like a new member, you know what I mean? I got a coupon for $5 off, but this box does go for $15. So yes, enough of the cheeseman. Let's go ahead and get started. So as usual, your little box will come with a little Allure magazine, and it is this one right here. So in here, you're gonna have all the information about the items that they sent in the box and all that good stuff. But let's just go ahead and jump in. So the box looks like this. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. Okay, the first thing I see is this right here. And this was the reason why I got this box, was because we are getting a full size MAC lipstick. So of course I was gonna jump on that one because this alone already pays for the box since I only got it for 10 bucks. I believe the full-size MAC lipsticks cost $18 or $20, something like that, but it already pretty much paid off the box. So yes, this is what this looks like. If I could open it, I got the color Ruby Woo. I already have Ruby Woo in my MAC makeup collection, and I totally love it, so I don't mind getting another one. I love this color. This is like a beautiful classic true red. Bam! In your face. Damn, this bitch is beautiful. I love. I have my old one too, and it's pretty used up. Yes, this is the original one that I have, and this is the new one that they sent out. Now this one is super old and crusty, and you could see I've gone through it. So yes, we got a replacement. I'm totally loving this. This color is bomb. I love it. Okay, so the first item we got was the Ruby Woo MAC full-size lipstick in this box. So I'm excited already because of that. All right, the next item that we got was this right here. And this is a TLC Silkari Baby Facial Licent. I don't know how you guys say that word, but it is this right here. And this is skincare. I don't really like skincare. Skincare is boring, but okay, this is what we got. And I know Drunk Elephant is fancy because they sell it at Sephora. So yeah, so this is skincare. I will definitely take a look at it. I would probably be using it, not 100% sure, but that's pretty cool because that item is fancy. Okay, the next item that we got are some lashes. You guys know I love me some damn lashes. So these are the Tarte's Pearl cruelty-free lashes, and these, I don't know what they retail for, but they are also fancy because they are also sold at Sephora, and I really like this style, although they look a little natural to me. Like, that style looks a little natural to me. I like them extra full and glam, but these are really nice. I will definitely get a good use out of these little lashes. And To pair it up, to pair it up, they also sent out the Tarte Tarteist Pro adhesive, and I have used this one and I really like it a lot. There was a time that I did run out of my eyelash adhesive from House of Lashes, so I had to go 911 emergency to Sephora and get me some new eyelash glue, and they didn't have the House of Lashes that I normally use, so I had to purchase this one, and I've tried this one before and it works really good. But my preference is more of like the House of Lashes, but this alone, I think this one I had paid for like $9 or $10. So this alone already also paid off the box. So this is really nice that they sent these two together. So I will definitely be using this eyelashes, adhesive, and lipstick. Hell yes, of course, I will definitely be using it. And last but not least, they sent out this bottle, and this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So I think it's this gives you instant lasting volume and texture to your hair. So this is a pretty good size. I don't think I've used this one. I've got Living Proof stuff before, but I don't remember getting this one, and this one's a pretty good size. So I really like it, and I could always use more volume than what I already have. So yes, guys, this is pretty much it. And then this is fancy. Like, I totally love this box. This box was bomb. They should do more boxes like this. What pretty much sold me this time was the makeup. Honestly, I'm gonna say the makeup really sold me. So these three items were the ones that stood out to me the most. This, I will definitely give it a try because it's skincare. And this, I might use it for my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys ordered this box, let me know what you guys got, because I know there was different variations with like the lipstick. I think there was like another color that they were gonna send out, like a pink one, and then I think the hair stuff, I think there was another variation. So let me know if you guys got this box. What did you get? Did we get the same box? Yay or nay? Let me know. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.